my crispy broccoli fries. You're just gonna take a small paring knife or even a potato peeler and peel off that skin. Now that you have that outer edge peeled, you're just gonna slice your broccoli stems into fry shapes. Take these one at a time, place them in the flour, then the plant milk, repeat back in the flour, back in the plant milk, and then finally dipped into those breadcrumbs for extra crisp. Now place them on a parchment lined baking sheet. Now pop them in the oven for about 15 minutes at 400 degrees. Beautiful broccoli fries, fresh out of the oven. How could you ever throw out the stalks now? Now we've transformed broccoli stems into fries, but how about a low-waste pesto? Let's do it. So for your low-waste pesto, you're gonna start with 2 roughly chopped broccoli stems. Then you wanna add a handful of parsley, a big handful of fresh basil, half a cup of soaked cashews, half a lemon juiced, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, and finally half a cup of vegetable broth or olive oil. 5 minutes, that's all there is between you and this amazing, creamy, low-waste pesto. So we've got a bowl of cold pasta here, and we're just gonna add that beautiful pesto in. Cherry tomatoes, chopped broccoli, and a little bit of parsley. Serve it up, bring to a barbecue or to work, and I promise you, nobody's gonna know that the main ingredient in this pasta salad is broccoli stems. Whenever I make pasta, there's either some left over in the bottom of the pot or the box, so instead of letting that go to waste, let's make the viral TikTok pasta chips. 2 cups of cooked pasta, drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, give that a toss. And now your spice blend. I'm using oregano, garlic powder, salt, and paprika. Now just pour them onto your baking sheet. Pop them in the oven for about 20 minutes until crispy. There you go, folks. Scrappy recipes that won't break the bank, but might just break the internet. Thanks for having me, Rachel.
Thank you again so much to Carleigh, and I think everybody should pre-order her cookbook, Plant You.